In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this app called Volume Scroll. With this app, you can use your volume buttons to scroll your device. So you can get it from GitHub or Droidify. I'll be using Droidify. So search for it in the Droidify app store and install it. Okay, so after installing it, open it. The first thing you want to do is to enable these settings. So tap here, look for the app. This is it. I'll tap it and then enable this. Tap allow and I'll go back. Okay, so all these options are turned on, but normally they should be off. Okay, so the most important button to enable is this one. With this one enabled, you can now tap your volume button to scroll. Normally this slider will be at 100%, but I've noticed that 85 is okay for me. So maybe try it as well. If it's too fast for you, you can bring it down, or if it's too slow, you can bring it up. So that's basically how you set the app up. Now let's head to YouTube and see if it works. Alright, so I just opened the comments of this video. All I have to do is just tap the volume button, and as you can see, the comments are scrolling. I can go down and I can go up. But let's say you don't want the app working everywhere. There are just some apps you want it to work in. So what you do is enable this and then you choose the apps where you want this button scrolling feature to work. So let's say I only want it on YouTube. Then it will only work on YouTube. You can choose all the apps from here. But I don't like using this, so I'll turn it off. Okay, so as you know, once you turn this on, your volume buttons won't work for increasing or reducing your volume. So to quickly deactivate it, make sure this one is enabled. What you need to do is press both buttons at the same time. So you see it says volume, let's do it again. Volume scroll enabled, volume scrolling disabled. So now I can increase or decrease my volume. And after I'm done, I can press both buttons again, and okay, it has increased my volume a lot, but now I can scroll using the buttons. Another way to deactivate or activate it is by using your quick toggles. So I already have the button over here, but for you, you won't have this one. You just need to edit your quick toggles. So you should see volume scroll. So tap it and take it where you want. I like it up here. Done. And now you can see it is activated. So if I want to deactivate it, I can just tap here to deactivate it. If I want to reactivate it, I'll tap here. So if I deactivate it now, I can increase my volume. And if I reactivate it, then you see it doesn't work anymore. So that's how you use volume scroll. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.